Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and here we're on a location where my team is actually working on this job, and I wanted to do a Wizard of Wood video so everyone can see exactly what we do and why when you expand your services and expand what you do, what comes in on a job, especially when you're dealing with wood. Now this deck is being rebuilt, but it's not going to be used with composite or trucks. They actually want to keep wood. And we're going to switch it over to from cedar, because cedar doesn't hold up like it used to pressure treated, prime, kiln dried decking, which is really nice. And then we also have this deck over here that's gray that was built later on. It's not in bad shape at all, and the little fence that's under here, and it's just great. It needs to be restored. So when they come out and they get estimates and somebody's going to build the deck, they don't include that because they don't restore and stain. Or people that don't stain and restore, what happens is they can't build the deck or rebuild the deck in a lot of cases. So when you can kind of put your services together, which is what this video is about, is packaging your services together. Maybe you're going to work with a carpenter or work with somebody who restores wood, but this way they get you the job. So when we come in and we can say, hey, we can clean and seal your pavers, clean, sand, and seal the pavers, restore them, okay? We can rebuild the deck and we can restore all this wood. Guess what? We got the job. And that's really the business model that really works well today. So I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Combine your services, get those jobs.